Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change the lamp on one of these Olympus CH30 microscopes. So when you turn on the light and you don't get any light anymore, most likely the lamp is burned. It has a halogen lamp in here. So I'm going to show you how to change that. This is the exact model. This is the CH30RF200. So I just turned the microscope on its back, and then here at the bottom we can see some more information that in replacing the lamp, turn off the main switch and wait until the lamp cools down. And here it says something about the replacement lamp, and it says Olympus 6 volt 20 watt VHAL. And yeah, the lamp is under here. In some models you might have a screw you need to unscrew, but on this one you can just pull here, and here you have the lamp. So to replace the lamp, you just pull it out. It can be a bit tight, so wiggle it out. It's a bit hard to see the markings on the lamp, but I think it says Osram, and I think it says 6 volt over there, and most likely it says 20 watts like it says on the back panel. So once you have your replacement lamp, just plug it back in, wiggle it in like you wiggled it out, and then put the cover back in, and then just lift the microscope back on its feet and plug it in and turn the light on, and it will work as before. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.